Hi Dressed Cuties, Winnie here. Today I draw a basket of heart flowers to celebrate love. So let's get started. To draw this sweet basket, let's first start by drawing a straight line across. So I'm going to start right here, and this is just the top of my basket. So I'm just going to draw this line across. And then now that I have that, I'm going to come to the sides and just draw a soft curve on both sides. And then once again, I'm going to go ahead and go across. So this is kind of like the lip of my basket. And then from there, we're going to come in a little bit, and we're just going to draw the bottom of our basket. So just draw a curve, simple little basket right here. So curve on both sides. And now that we're about the same level, I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a soft curve. There. Okay, this is a little bit high. I mean a little bit low, so I need it a little higher, but right there. Okay, so then now that I have that, let's go ahead and draw our flowers. So I'm going to go ahead and just say maybe the center. I'm going to start, and I'm just going to go about right here. I'm just going to draw a straight line. Well, I guess it doesn't have to be straight, just a line coming down. And then maybe one here, a slight angle, a little bit shorter. So this is going to be my main flowers. I just want to get my lines in here so I kind of know where the main heart flowers are going to be. So I'll just draw 3 of them right here. And then let's see. Let's go ahead and draw our hearts. So I'm going to come right here, and I'm just going to draw nice full hearts. Come right back down to the center right here, and then do the same thing on the other side. So same thing over here. Let's draw a nice big heart. And once again, same thing. And as always, this is just meant to inspire you, so I really hope you have fun with this. And back in. There. So I'm always aiming towards the center, which is this line, and then drawing the other side. And so I'm drawing this a little bit smaller, so it's a little bit easier to draw the hearts. And that's maybe why my hand looks really huge right now. So sorry. So I'm going to come right about here and draw some shorter ones, maybe here and here. So smaller heart, just to mix it up. And same thing here. Okay, so now I have my main hearts in. Then we can come in here and let's see here. Just add whatever you like. I'm going to come right here. Add some greens. Just have fun with this. There's no wrong way to do this. Maybe right here. I'll add in a small little heart, or it could even be a leaf, doesn't really matter. Let's see, maybe here, and here. Just trying to decorate my basket here. Then maybe here can pop in. Leaf. And then let's pop in some leaves right here for each of our hearts. There. Okay, and then Maybe that's enough, right? So then I'm going to come to the sides right here, to the top, I mean, and just add in some small hearts here and there just to make it extra loving. Okay, and so the cute part right here is I'm going to put in some eyes on my hearts. A big smile just to give my heart some character, make it extra cute. Let's see here, maybe this one's like winking and then kissing mouth. And this one, let's see, what should this one be doing? Maybe an open mouth there. And then maybe this one's kind of going there. Okay, so then now that we have all that in, let's go ahead and put in this big bow in the center. It felt like this basket needed something, right? So I'm going to put in this kind of ovalish shape. Just draw this big bow to cover it up, this as much area as possible. And then the tail of our bow. Right here. And so then that is pretty much it for drawing. But when you're coloring on the basket right here, you can just like a darker basket color, like that brownish, just draw in these lines right here. Just want to show you, just to make it, give it that texture of a basket. And then here, definitely you just want to draw some crisscross lines coming this way and then that way, but I don't want to muddle up with a Sharpie, but hopefully that will help you. And let's see, that is pretty much it for this drawing of a basket of heart flowers to celebrate Mother's Day, Valentine's, any day, just to celebrate love, basically. I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy today, and that brought a smile to your day, of course. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.